Hello and welcome in this my session on managing packages using package managers. I am Meherchand and in this session we will discuss about how we can manage these packages. Okay, Python play very important role in machine learning, deep learning, data science, scientific computing, quantum computing and many more. And we know Python required different type of libraries and packages while working on different type of tasks. So for that we need these packages and we have to manage, and without managing it becomes very hard to work on the specific task. Okay, so here this is the main agenda of the present, how we can uninstall a package, and there are some useful commands for managing the packages. We cover all these. I will show you also how we can manage all these packages in the prompt. One feature that makes Python really great is the various packages and modules developed by the user community. Most of the time when you want to apply some functions or algorithm, often you will find that multiple packages already available. All you need to do is to install the packages and use them on your code. Managing packages is one of the most important skill you need to learn to take fully advantage of the Python. This tutorial will show you how you can manage packages in the Python. At the beginning of the lecture, we installed some packages using pip by typing pip install package name. Okay, and this is currently the most common and easy way to install Python packages. Pip is package manager that automates the process of installing, updating, and removing the packages. It can also install packages published on Python package index. If you installed Miniconda, pip will available for you to use as well, and use pip help to get help for different commands. The most used command usually include installing, upgrading, and uninstalling a package. To install the latest version of the package, we will use this statement pip install, and at this place we will mention the name of the particular package, and if sometimes we need some specific version of the package, in that case we will use this statement pip installed and package name, and this is the double equal sign, and at this place we will mention about the which type of version you need. Pip will install the package as well as the other dependent packages for you to use. To upgrade an installed package to the latest version from the PyPy, we can do by using the statement pip install, and here is double hyphen. Okay, then this is the upgrade and package name. When you will run this statement, this will upgrade your installed package in your system. Either you can use this statement, which is pip install and hyphen uppercase U, then package name. So one of these you can use to upgrade a package in your system. When we have several packages installed in our system, some of them are unwanted or unrequired, and sometimes by the numerous packages when installed in our system becomes slow because of the unwanted packages. So we need to uninstall these unwanted or unrequired packages from our system. Then we can use this statement to uninstall any package. We will use the statement which is pip uninstall and then mention the name of the particular package. When you will play this statement, this will uninstall the particular package from the system. There are some useful commands that provide information about the installed package which are available. If you want to get a list of all the installed packages, you can use the command pip list. This will return all the list of this will display the all installed packages in our system. If you want to know more about an installed package, such as location of the package, the required other dependent packages, etc., you can use the following command pip show and package name. So when you will run this statement in the prompt, this will give us the complete information about the particular package. To install and uninstall these packages, we need to open Anaconda prompt. When you will click on the window sign, then this will open. Okay, and you can see that here is Anaconda PowerShell prompt. You will click on it. You can also increase the font size, and to increase the font size, right click on it, and you can see here is the properties. Then you need to click add replace font, and I will use the font size 36. Okay, so this is the Anaconda PowerShell prompt. Here you can install any package. How you can do? To install any package, we will use pip, then install. Then here we will write the package name. Suppose I want to install SymPy. So this is the statement, and when you will press on it, this will install the SymPy library. But this SymPy library already exists in my system, so you can see that here is a message saying that requirement already satisfied. And if this message is displayed in your system, it means that particular library or package already exists in your system. If you want to get the list of all the packages which are already installed in our system, then we will use the statement pip list. Okay, so when you will run this statement, press enter. You can get the list of all the packages which are installed in our system. So all these packages are already installed, and you can see this is the list of all the packages. If you want to get some information about a package, then we will use pip show, and then after we need to mention the package name. This is SymPy. This will return us the detail about the SymPy. Yes, you can see the name of the package is SymPy, and the version of the SymPy is 1.10.1. And this is the summary. Computer algebra system in the Python. The package is available for the Python in case. And if you want to get home page for the SymPy, this is the home page. Then the author SymPy developed in a team. This is the email address. This is the license for this SymPy, under which it is open source available. And this is the location. You can see C program data and Anaconda, then libraries, then site packages. Okay, this is the path for the SymPy, and requires MP math is required for the same. Now if you want to upgrade, the statement is to upgrade the package. We will use the statement pip install, then double hyphen upgrade SymPy, and enter. Yes, you can see that SymPy has been upgraded successfully, and the SymPy latest version is 1.11.1. So in this way, we can easily upgrade all these packages in our system. And if you need to uninstall any package, we can do also by using the same statement. For uninstall, we will use the statement uninstall. So by using uninstall, you can easily, and when you will enter, then this SymPy will be uninstalled from your system. So I hope this lecture will be very helpful for all of you. Thank you very much to see this lecture till the end.